Here's Toyota's redesigned 2019 Avalon, the company's flagship sedan. Along with some pretty dazzling styling, at least for Toyota, the Avalon gets a boost of high tech and a ton of standard safety equipment. The new model is longer, lower, and wider than the previous one, and will still be available with either a 3.5-liter V6 engine hooked up to an 8-speed automatic or a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid made into a continuously variable transmission. What's cool about the hybrid? The battery packs are located under the rear seat. Now this is significant because in the past, the batteries were always in the trunk, which compromised cargo room. Some new tech hardware in the 2019 Avalon includes a driver-adjustable adaptive variable suspension on the touring model. That supposedly uses real-time dampening control to better balance ride and handling. But really, we'll have to try it before singing its praises. Inside, the new Avalon is available with leather, wood, or aluminum trim, and lots of soft-touch materials. And by the looks of what we see here at the show, the new Avalon, at least in its higher trim models, would look right at home in a Lexus dealer. Infotainment equipment includes a 9-inch touchscreen for the audio, navigation, and an automatic climate control system. It's also nice to see some traditional knobs and buttons. We're really happy to see Toyota Safety Sense P standard across all trim lines. It includes automatic emergency braking and forward collision warning. The Avalon has a long history of delivering roomy interiors, amazingly good hybrid fuel economy, and strong reliability. We'll be interested to see if this new Avalon carries on that good performance. For more on sedans, check out consumerreports.org.